Today, I'll show you the Harmony Courtyard Algerian for embroidery tutorial. For the eyelet stitch, prepare an awl. Following the diagram, bring the needle up at point 1. Take the needle down at point 2. Bring the needle up at point 3. Take the needle down at point 4. Bring the needle up at point 5. Take the needle down at point 6. Bring the needle up at point 7. Take the needle down at point 8. Bring the needle up at point 9. Take the needle down at point 10. Bring the needle up at point 11. Wrap the thread in the sequence shown. The eyelet for I4 stitch is complete. I make hopes you'll enjoy stitching this wonderful design as much as we do.